Python Code Challenge. Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. Please submit your answer in the comments section. This line defines a new function named my_function. This is a placeholder statement that does nothing. It's often used within function definitions to indicate that the function body is empty or will be implemented later. This line calls the my_function function and prints the result to the console. Since my_function doesn't return any value, it implicitly returns none. Therefore, the output of this line will be none. The correct answer is A. None. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.